Yeah, hello guys. So very good evening. I think we can start our like doubt session. So one by one, please raise your hand. I will try to unmute you and try to solve your doubt. So first is Marur, right? Yeah, Mayur. So you can unmute yourself and yeah, go ahead. Okay, just a second. Just a second, Mayur. Okay, so yeah.
Hello, Sunny.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you very much. So I just had a question like on the internship. So I've got a full-time job.
Mm-hmm.
So now I have put the internship with iNeuron as work experience.
Mm-hmm.
So now for they have sent me a form for the background verification. So now I was just wondering whose contact details I can give as reference.
Okay. So Vikas, sir, are you there?
Yes, Marur. What kind of contact you are looking for? Means, you have to add in a college, right?
No, no.
Yeah.
Like they want all details like company name, then the
Mhm.
contact name, then the contact title, email, phone number, everything.
Okay. You can give Sunny names or my name. There is no any issue.
Yeah.
Mm.
So just a second. So like it, I not completed my internship. So will I be able to get a experience later?
Experience letter, as in such in our company is in iNeuron. You are looking for experience letter.
Yeah, because I mentioned it as a part of my employment. So I was just thinking if I can
No,
put it.
no, no. It's like if you are completing the internship, then you can get a certificate as you have completed the internship.
So can I get something like you
No,
know
no,
that I was at least an intern for this period to this period? Like
no, no. If you are completing it, then we can provide you the certificate.
okay.
Yeah.
So the point of contact whom I can put. So
Point of contact is like you can give Sunny's name or my name, whatever suits you. It's like point
okay.
of contact for your internship only you want to give. No,
Yeah, I think they'll just call you and verify that I was working here and
no, 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 no. Don't give us give this kind of thing. Uh,
sorry.
if you are not, you are doing an internship, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait a second.
Yeah, so meanwhile, if anyone has any doubt, so you can raise your hand. Okay, Naveen. Naveen is there. So
Yes, Marur, you're there.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, Marur, you can connect with Sudhanshu, sir. You can uh, drop a mail to him. He will provide you some solution about it.
Okay, so should I write to him to query at the rate?
No, Sudhanshu@tinyurn.in.
Uh, can you put it in
Okay.
the chat if you can?
Hmm.
Okay, I got it. Thank you very much, Sunny.
yeah, so thank you. Okay, so Naveen is there. Naveen, sir, can you unmute? So
Yeah, I have added in a panelist. Yes, Naveen.
Yeah, Sunny, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, Sunny. I just have a doubt in building a convolution network in Inception.
Okay.
I was just breaking my head for past couple of days on it.
Mm-hmm.
So, can I show it?
Yeah, you can show it.
Okay, yeah, share screen. Yeah, Sunny. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Sunny, it's very simple, Sunny. I'm just using Inception VT for
Mm-hmm.
CFA10 dataset. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just applying CFA10 for even for my custom network, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
using it for even for the some pre-trained models like VGG, and
Mm-hmm.
now I'm using it in Inception.
Okay.
I have done some flaw classification data, flaw classification also.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but my query is now okay. Now it's not connected. So if I'm going to load the entire data set with a size 224 plus 224,
Mm-hmm.
my RAM is getting crashed in Colab. Number one.
Okay.
So if I'm going to give a size of 32 cross 32,
Mm-hmm.
then there's no issues. My code will be executed without any problem. Is
Mm-hmm.
this part okay?
Mm-hmm.
This part will be executed without any problem.
Okay.
But if I'm going to cross 60, more than 64,
Mm-hmm.
instead of 2 to 4, if I'm going to give 64, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it will execute. Instead of 64, if I'm going to give 128, no,
Mm-hmm.
it won't be executed because my RAM will get crashed. It's not that code is getting crashed. I'm getting some code error. It's
Mm-hmm.
like memory issues.
Yeah,
So I
so
just browsed a lot.
definitely. Actually, now this CFAR dataset is like very big. So how many images there in CFAR dataset? Have you checked?
Almost 50,000 images of 32
Mm.
cross 32 image size
So
with three
50,000
HAMs.
50,000 image like a very
Yeah,
like bigger number, right? So if we are giving this much images,
yeah,
so
it's a very big
definitely,
number.
yeah.
I mean,
And the size is
uh,
big, like a resolution is too high, 224, 224. So whenever like resolution is too high means whenever we are doing a matrix multiplication, right? So we will like hover the entire feature like feature map over the image, right? And the like resolution is 224, 224. So that definitely like it will take time. Definitely it will take like a time and memory both, right? So it will like
yeah, I'm
crash.
not issue. Yeah, so it's crashing. So
Mm,
what I did is I browsed a lot.
mm,
Then I came to know about the size issue.
mhm,
So because of this, the memory will get full and our RAM will get crashed.
mhm,
So they just told a suggestion like either use a small size of
mhm,
32 or 64,
mm,
or reduce the number of images of
mhm,
same 2 to 4 image, so 2 to 4
mm,
size. So
mm,
what I did is I just took some 5,000 size, 5,000 images
mhm,
of extra and wide and all sorts of things. So there's no issue in this. So actually, they just took 5 hours for me to just to do this, to find out that this is the issue for me. But okay, I mean the entire code is being given by Paul Sunny actually.
Okay.
So I'm just trying out, figuring out here and there. He just told to fix the network. I mean, like, I just going in a fast track mode. So in the recorded video, so these things are available.
Okay.
So I'm just trying to do it. So this is the I mean, like, this is the insertion model that he has created, and the chloro weight initialization, and then the entire model he's creating on himself from the scratch. Okay, inception model. Okay.
Yeah, so this was the task, like you have to fit this much of images
this was the task.
in this
Actually, this
network,
image was
right?
the task.
Yeah. So
Yeah, this was the task. So I did it. So actually, Paul told that you will get crashed in this place. Your task is to fix this. So I just came across either I should reduce the size of images or I should reduce the number of images.
Yeah,
so this is the only solution as of now.
So with with this resolution itself, like 224 to 24, if you are reducing the number of images, is it working like this code?
Yeah, it's working right now. My question is, okay, now I have used this part. This is the I had it, but here actually the average pooling 2D was being given with pooling size of 7x7 and stride is equal to 1. Okay. Why he has given this? He just want to make it to 1x1. So you can see in the output layer. Here it will be 7x7. After that, he will be using average pooling of 2x. I mean, like 7x7. It will become 1x1. So our output also will be like none, 1, 1, 10. 10 is the number of outputs that I wanted. Okay. So okay, just using the classifiers to join here. Okay. Okay. But when I try to execute this, I mean, like model.fit, again my RAM gets crashed. Previously, okay, I just tell you an error. Okay, I just show you the error now itself. Wait, I'll be getting an error now. Yeah. See, this was the error that I was getting. Okay. Because okay, I'll just tell what I found out. Just tell me whether it's correct or wrong. So the none, 1, 1, 10 is incompatible. So it's telling like this shape is different actually. So when I just saw the summary of our network, I can clearly identify that the output is in this shape, but my, where is that? Yeah, I'll just show you my white ring. Yeah, but my white ring is of just 10, not 1, 1, 10. So this was the issue that, I mean, I think that this is the issue. Actually, is this the issue?
Okay, just this is a shape issue, like something is
Yeah, shape issue.
incompatible, right?
Yeah.
Shape and none are incompatible. Just show me like at which line it is giving you an error.
I'm just getting an error in this part of line.
Okay. White ring, white ring.
You want me to show the summary of the model?
Wait, extend.
Yeah. Okay.
Position data extends white. What is this like in the list? You have passed this white ring in a consecutive manner like this one. Yeah.
All has given like this, but I haven't reached till the point like here that whether this is issue or not. I haven't reached it here. What I thought is like this must be the issue, because the shape of this is different from the shape of what I have in my white ring.
So what you can do now, like you can expand actually. So whenever like you are giving now expand dimension, right? So I think so this exact code like you have copied from like that video.
Yeah, on the entire video I just paused everything and I typed it.
So anything like has changed or like some like you have missed from there? Some code?
No way. I have typed everything. I took 2 days to type only the code and 2 days to debug the code.
So this part basically has been done in the like yeah. No, I'm just asking. This part has been yeah.
Yeah, tell me, Paul, Sunny.
No, I am just saying, this part has been run in the class. So this like a chunk of a code which you are showing.
No, he just told to fix the network. He told
Okay.
that I won't discuss it again because you
Yeah.
guys have to learn it.
Uh-huh.
So he just told that this is the place that you will be getting issue.
Mm-hmm.
So you just have to fix whether
No,
whether
this
you
is
have to
fine. This
fix
is
this
fine.
part.
This is like just nothing. This is just you
Yeah.
have to fix with this memory issue. Nothing. This is the different error, like
Yeah.
value error, na, which you are getting. Like we will have to check with this.
So
Like
okay,
yeah.
what I did is I just added an extra layer here to reduce that 1,1
Mm-hmm.
global average pooling. I just added it. I don't know whether it's right or wrong. To bring it like image size that I have. So I just brought it like this from 1,1,10 previously we were having, but now we are having none, 10, like how we have in our white range here.
Mm-hmm. Now run
Is
it.
this correct?
Now try to run it.
Now
If
run.
it
Yeah, now it will be executed, but again, as usual, see the RAM here. It will be like section will be restarted. Section has
yeah.
been
So
crashed.
best side you can reduce, na. Just try to reduce the best size. 256 have you given, right? As you given. So 32. Try to like write 32 over here.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'll rerun it again.
Yeah.
Had your dinner, Sunny?
Sorry.
No, I just asked you. Had your dinner?
Yeah. So. By the way, this is Sunny Savita. So I'm not Sunny Bhavin Chandra. Just
No, whatever it's. I just asked
yeah,
whether you had your dinner or not.
Oh, yeah, I have done it. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, can you just tell me like batch size means like from
Batch
my
size mean
understanding it just takes
which batch in one batch like you are passing the images.
only 32 images will be sent, correct?
Yeah, so you can like reduce the size, number of the size, like as many as you want,
No,
right? So 10 images, 5 images also you can give. This issue like occur whenever we are training a deep learning model. Actually, deep learning model like it requires a like too high configuration. Whenever like you will work with object detection and that kind of thing done, this issue like it is very common. So we need high-end GPU and high-end RAM. Then only we can run this kind of a code. Okay.
how to me like what kind of environment that I can get.
So
Sunny?
there is a
I just
like
have only Colab.
Google Colab Pros there. If you can like take subscription
Yeah.
of that Google Colab Pros there, right? Or you can use Paper Space. We will like teach you in a full stack. So have you like okay? So this has not been completed in live class, na, right?
No, I mean like, in live classes now we are just going on PCA.
Okay, don't worry. Like it will be covered in live class. So we will teach you like how you can like detect the object itself in a cloud. I think Paper Space we will teach you, right? And if you want to like learn by yourself, so there are several cloud which provide the services, Azure, AWS, right? So over there also you can like train your model. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
okay. So now it's like again session got crashed, but now it's been trained to one approach, right?
Mm-hmm. So just
Right,
try to
Doc? Is it
reduce,
correct?
just try to reduce the best size. It will work for you.
Okay. So
Yeah.
batch size it means like we are just from 5,000 images. I'm giving 32 images for the first approach, right?
Yeah, in a first
Is my
spot. Like
understanding?
there are different concept, best size, iteration, epoch, right? So we need to understand that like in one epoch, how many batches is there, how many images we are passing, means how many total data is there, and what is the like number of iterations. So this is the like 3 to 4 terminology you need to understand with respect to this, and just try to understand. You will be able to do it. Okay, so you will be able to understand. This is not that much stuff, right? And just try to reduce the batch size if you are getting this memory issue error. Okay.
Okay. I mean, like, my another question is mostly we are just using stochastic gradient descent, or RMS or ADAM.
Mhm.
Is that like we are but we don't use other optimizers. Is it like
No, it is up to you. Like
live also?
the whatever optimizer you want to use, you can use. Okay, this is just a like what it is doing. It is just like reducing the like it is optimizing the weight and bias in a mathematical way, right? So there is a different like in a stochastic gradient descent, different mathematical concept is there in moment in like Adam different, RMS
Yeah,
crop different.
momentum optimizer.
Yeah,
Yeah, Nestro.
yeah. So whatever optimizer you
But
want to use, you can use. It is up to you.
yeah, okay. My another thing is, yeah. Here in machine learning,
Hmm,
I have more exposure towards machine learning, Sunny.
hmm,
In machine learning, if we are going to have some text in our label column, we'll be like doing some kind of transformations, and we'll be like converting them to a number.
hmm,
In deep learning,
hmm,
what here we just use like something like categorical,
hmm,
two underscore categorical.
hmm,
It just changes the y column to a one hot encoding column.
hmm,
Is
hmm.
that the proper way to do it, or is this the only way?
Yeah, so there are different way, there can be like different way. Okay, so don't compare with the machine learning. In a deep learning, basically, whenever we are dealing with the images, right? So there can be like different thing. We can like convert into a NumPy array. We can convert it to a two categorical, right? And in NLP also, like you will find out different vectorization format, right? So in whatever problem statement you are doing, just stick with that and try to like see, okay, so what all the way we have for converting into a encoding. Okay, so for like encoding like this categorical to numerical or numerical to whatever like you are doing, right?
Yeah. Okay, this is another thing, Sunny.
Hmm,
Okay, this is a flower classification. I'm using
hmm,
this some simple VGG.
hmm,
Here I'll be using like flow from directory as call as tortoise. It
hmm,
just takes the from in flowers directory. I'll be having four class. I mean like 4 to 5 flowers. So
hmm,
it just names itself as 0, 1, 2, 3,
hmm,
and 4.
hmm.
So this is one way of finding a Y column, right? A
Yeah,
target
so
variable.
there is no one way. Like whatever library you are using, right? So suppose you are using Keras. So in that we have a like a function, right? For we have a function, and this function is performing each and every functionality, right? Suppose you are taking data, you want to
Yeah.
take data from the directory. So if you are using Keras library, so inside that this function has been given, so you will use that function. Now, if you are using PyTorch, if you are using TensorFlow, or if you are writing your custom library, custom code, okay, inside that you will write your own code, right? So there is no one way. There are different way. It is like just basically we can say in a library that a specific function has been given and we can use that, right? You can search with the documentation, is there some another function like has been given, so you can use that also, right? Right now you are using Keras now only, right? With Keras you have built this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Ideally, it's Keras and TensorFlow.
yeah,
TF.Keras. So both the
tf
same.
Keras. So if you are doing the same thing in a TensorFlow, so will you use the same function? Are you will you able to do it like in a TensorFlow itself? No, na. There is some different function
No,
over there.
definitely not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So like this is like inside the library function. So it just
Yeah.
gives
Means
an extra hand to do our.
we are just applying our logic. Okay, so whatever function has been given, we are using just that function. Okay, nothing else over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Sunny. This was my issue that I was breaking my head.
Okay. Yeah. So I think it has been resolved, right? So
Yeah. Yeah. It's not a big thing for
mm,
someone like who has worked for a long time, but it
mm.
was like took some
Yeah.
lot of
So
time for
like
me.
I think you have just started this thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
For
that's why
past
like.
1 month I'm doing this.
mm,
Now only I have reached the inception.
mm. Don't worry. Like when once you will be used to this thing, so this will be easy for you, and you can like easily find out answer like of these small questions, small queries. Okay. So
Yeah, sure, Sunny. Yeah,
yeah.
sure. And thank you so much, Sunny. This was my query for this.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, guys. So
Yeah,
next
thank you, Sunny. Thank
question.
you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank So yeah, guys, next question. Please raise your hand, guys. Yeah, there are many person, guys. If you are having any doubts, so just raise your hand. Okay. So Guys, if you are having any doubt, I'm just repeating. If you are having any doubt, so you can raise your hand. I will unmute you, and yeah, you can ask your doubt. Okay. So Vikas sir, I think there is no more doubt. So I think we can conclude.
Okay, so guys, you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. Okay, I think no more doubts is there. So guys, okay, we are concluding this session. If you have any kind of doubt, so you can mail us at support@tinyurn.ai or at query@tinyurn.ai also. Okay, thanks for joining, guys. Bye. Good night.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Good night.